So let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Match 72 is rolling here on the Croft division. 2 artifacts up so far for blue. Red Alliance now trying to match that with 3 shots off the Jefferson Psy Dogs. They're pulling 1 more aboard. Not quite getting it up and into their indexing system, though, so not quite able to spit those out. 27,991. I'm a Genius out of Florida, loading up with artifacts, now scooting their way along the floor back to the close launch zone, supported from the backfield by their partners Terminal Velocity out of Excelsior, Minnesota. Aiming their turret high, but no artifacts on board as time expires.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Blue Alliance now leads 39-21 in this match. Quick three shot for the Blue Alliance, now backed up by another. Those artifacts sliding right onto the ramp at 3 points apiece, roughly, except for some that may match the motif. These robots spinning around the field. A bit of traffic difficulties in that close launch zone, now cleared up as teams swing right around each other, loading up on artifacts, which they will need to continue performing here in this match. Jefferson Psy Dogs maybe playing some opportunistic defense here, looking to try and get in the way of these Blue Alliance machines and slow them down, which, as Blue Alliance is growing a lead, they may need to hold on to for this match. 93-42 now. Blue Alliance definitely holding a strong lead with 30 artifacts up so far at 75 seconds left to go. As these teams keep on working through those scores. 15-7-89, that's Robo Cats. They're from New Mexico, lining up their turret towards the goal for the Red Alliance. Trying to push an artifact through. There it goes. If it landed through, that would be worth some nice points. 3 points to that Red Alliance if it went through. Jefferson Psy Dogs shoots back-to-back with Terminal Velocity. Both of these teams trying to play similar traffic paths, so getting a bit in each other's way, but generally able to work around each other to keep advancing their own alliance's goals. 40 seconds to go now. 50 artifacts up for blue. Certainly plausible that we could see a goal RP on that alliance in this match. 165-77 is that score as we have 30 seconds left to go and start approaching the end game with a whistle in 6 seconds. Shots going up all around the field. Seems like everyone's really prioritizing that close launch zone for the time being. Of course, bringing the advantage that their shots need to go less far, but adding more drive time and more traffic difficulties as everyone tries to use a relatively small area for their shots. 10 seconds to go. It is the end game. Blue does lock down the goal ranking point. Blue has at least 1 robot lined up, ready to go. We may get a second just in there, just in time, as the buzzer.
The winner is Blue Alliance with a score of 232 points. And now, let's get to 74 match. So, in the Red Alliance,